What's up, motherfuckers? Today I am with my favorite game of the round third of the European Club Cup. It's a victory of uh, Richard Rapport against Calvin Kolbo, a player of Germany from my same age for about 20 years only. He is a very good player, but in this game, Richard Rapport shows a very great level and winning only in 24 moves. So let's see the game. E4, C5, knight F3, Rapport chose D6. One of the most aggressive, maybe the most aggressive Sicilian, and maybe just one of the most aggressive opening with black against c4. Okay, calling goes with d4, c takes, knight takes, a6, and here calling goes with bishop d3, which is the main move, bishop c5, knight b3. Here we know that black can go to e7 or to e7. I analyzed a couple of games in the channel with bishop e7, but okay, here Rapport is like bishop a7, short castle, 97, queen e2, normal move. 96, the opening goes everything normal. The fire starts in the move 13 more or less. 96, bishop e3. Okay, can look like this is the white with bishop, but this is the black with bishop too. Especially the worst bishop of the position is the c8 bishop, so I was trying to leave so to change the rest of the black pieces. Of course, this bishop is better than the c1 bishop is better than the e3 bishop, but this bishop is so powerful, so was fine just to trade it with bishop e3. Short castle, take on e7, take on e7, c4, taking control of b5 and stopping b5 and d5, good move. 95. And now was better just to develop the knight. I don't understand so much the move queen e3. Of course, queen e3 is attacking the rook. Have some reasons, and if black moves the rook, white plan could be just bishop e2, followed by f4, ejecting the knight from e5. But the problem is that after queen e3, Rapport here have a great idea instead of leave the rook. Okay, here it's just better develop the knight. The problem of queen e3, of course, attacking the rook is that just Rapport doesn't leave the e7 square or play b6. He just sacrifices the rook. Very good move. Knight takes d3. A rook sacrifice, very good. Now we are going to understand why he sacked the rook without. And it's strange because used to sack the pieces when you have more development than your opponent. But in this case, black have the bishop undeveloped, the queen undeveloped, the knight on e7, so passive, the rook on f8. The only active piece was the d3 knight. So I was trying to sacrifice a rook in the turn, but now we are going to understand why. Okay, here the best option for white was knight c3. Example is knight b2. Now was time to take here. But okay, black is fine here. Or if b6 defending the rook, now you can just take the knight, rook c7. Okay, the position is more or less equal, of course. Here, rook d1, and for example, followed by 94, 94, rook d1. But okay, Colin goes with his idea, and he just take the rook. And the Rapport idea was just b6, trapping the queen. Of course, you are not going to take the queen, but the queen is more or less trapped on the queen side, and black is going to take many tempos attacking the queen and to steal the development of his pieces. So now the white position is too dangerous. If you make some inaccuracies move, you can lose your queen. For example, now black is threatening, for example, knight c6. For example, if white makes a careless move like knight c3, black just have knight c6, queen a8, and here just queen c7, followed by bishop d7, and winning the queen. So for that reason, white is in some troubles, but with a accurately play, he can defend. Okay, here the better response was 94. Of course, black is threatening knight c6, so we just play knight 94, defending the c6 square, e5, knight f5, knight c6, queen a8. But here we have more resources with the knight on f5. For example, g6, knight d3, queen h4, knight c3, a5, knight a4, knight e4, going back here, knight f4, and black have here to contemplate for the exchange down. So 94 was interesting, covering c6. But okay, Colin choose queen b8, who is a good move. d6, again, not allowing the queen to escape, of course. The black main goal was that the queen is trapped. And here Colin makes the decisive mistake of the game. It's a story that white only made one mistake, but this talk about how difficult was the white position here with the queen trap. Sorry. Here the best move and the only move to defend was 94. Because again, black is threatening 96, sorry, 96, queen a8 and queen c7, followed by bishop b7. So the real threat, for example, just 93, the real threat again was 96, followed by queen c7 and bishop b7. So white should make something, and the response was just 94 covering the c6 square and not allowing black to play 96. Example now, if I knight f5, of course 96 you can just take here. So black here have knight takes f5, pawn takes, and knight f4. And of course the queen still cannot escape from b8, but at least black cannot take the queen. But of course black has a good position here. So, for example, knight b2 was other option. I prefer e5. I think that e5 was more aggressive. But okay, knight b2 here was other option. Knight d2, e5, rook f1, knight a4, knight a5, and yeah, just in this position, black is slightly better. Now black have a bishop and 2 pawns for the rook. So 94 was the best response to defend the threat 96. Let's analyze c5, who's another option, trying to open files for the queen. B takes knight 3 d2, now the b3 square is free for the queen. Knight c3, queen b3, queen knight f4 and knight f3. Okay, now the queen finally manages to escape, but now black is better thanks to the central pawns. This knight is stronger. The queen side is still undeveloped of white, so black is fine here. For example, now, so black has some idea with queen c7, bishop b7, attacking this diagonal. Or something can play, sometimes can play 94 and then develop the knight to g5, trade the knights. But Colin chose a wrong move, e5. Okay, this move let give white the option to escape with the queen, but paying a too high price, giving the pawn who is so important in this position. Principally because now the a8 takes one diagonal is open for the bishop, who is going to be so important. And apart, black is going to gain many tempos developing the pieces, attacking the queen and things like that. So that's the problem of e5. Okay, you give a pawn to escape with the queen, but it's not enough to defend. Knight takes c5, rook d1, logical attacking d6, but here just knight f5. And of course, that's the idea of white attacking d6 to provoke knight a5, and now can play queen a8 to escape with the queen, but it was simply that black gained many tempos. Yes, queen e7, bishop b7, developing with a tempo. And now let's see, like, black have these two strong knights in the center, this bishop aiming here, the queen close to the queen side. And white have all his pieces in the king side. The rook is in the king side. This knight is so far. This knight is so far. The rook is so far. So black only have the queen to defend the attack of 4 pieces. So black is just winning here. For example, knight g4 and knight g2 was possible, but Rapport chooses knight g6, which is a good move. Queen c1, knight f4, attacking g2, f3, knight f6, just threatening to sacrifice on g2. And this was, let's analyze that why still without develop the queenside pieces. It was so difficult to play without these pieces. So difficult. Just knight g2. Example, king takes cannot possible because bishop f3 and knight h4 winning the queen. And he plays queen d4, queen g5, king f2, and just knight to f4, and he just resigned. Now let's see that black have 2 pawns for the 2 pawns and a bishop for the exchange, but okay, now the queen is entering in g2, so and then 22 or take on F3, and just for that reason why I resigned. A very good game of Richard Rapport. I really like the exchange sacrifice, and then how he developed the rest of the pieces, gaining tempos against the queen. So Rapport always made great games. He's a very showman player. He always makes incredible games, attacking games, so he plays also aggressive. So now, after 3 rounds, there are still many teams with the with all the points. So let's see how continue the tournament. Bye bye, motherfuckers.